Hello, Taz B here, Taz Adventures. Just want to do a quick shout out and a thank you to Stephen with Backwoods Misfit and with Jan with Simply Jan Homestead for hosting a great meetup that we had up in Missouri. And then there's a couple of other folks that I wanted to thank. The first one is Jason and Beth from Illinois Canirum. So Jason saw one of my fishing shirts, and on the back I have a big largemouth bass on it. It's one of my favorite fishing shirts that I got from Pensacola, Florida, while I was visiting Nisi when she lived down in Florida. And so Gail is like, Jason wanted you to have this. It is a refrigerator magnet of a bass, a largemouth bass. So that was very cool, very generous, and I thank you, Jason and Beth, for the largemouth bass. It is going to go on the refrigerator as soon as I'm done with this live. And then next, I want to thank Dink Tank from Heartland HQ with Dink Tank. Why? Because they donated this mug that I won at the meetup. And, you know, Gail's like, that's perfect for you. You can use it for work. I'll probably use it for fishing, though. But, yes, very awesome. Thank you for that. And then I want to lastly thank Tony and Angie from Our Cabin in the Woods because, they gave me this cool shirt. It was actually a surprise. They gave it to Gail to give to me without me even knowing about it. In fact, she let me know on the way home as a surprise. So it's a very cool shirt. I thank you guys for that. And also I got to looking in the bag, and they also put in there a very cool sticker. So thank you again, Tony and Angie, for those. And I want to thank everybody who I've met, who introduced themselves. I had a great time, and I am pleased to announce that Gail and I will be going to Pine Cone Fest 2024. I believe it's October 11th, 12th, and 13th this year. So, barring anything unforeseen, we will definitely be there. And so, I guess that's about all I have to say. But I really enjoyed the company and the camaraderie that we had up there. Shout out for Neil for treasure hunter for him, and for the boss Kevin, and then also Jerry as well. And because I took my boat, and Neil and I had a great time trying to get it back on the trailer. And then with Jerry and Kevin, they saw my boat on the trailer afterwards, and they were like, "Is that the right trailer for that boat?" So between the four of us, we come some ideas to help alleviate a problem with the bow not getting up high enough to get up on the rest, and I'm definitely gonna try that out and hope it works. But the boss and I had a great time fishing, and trying out the boat. I really hadn't had a chance to try it out to fish for bass per se, um, like it's meant to be fished with. Gail and I have gone one time and fished for crappie, which, is a completely different animal fishing for crappie than you are fishing for bass. But anyways, I had a real good time with the boss, who is Jan's husband, of course, everybody knows, and I do apologize that we didn't get to go out riding on the boat more often, but for the most part, I think a lot of people were happy with just fellowshipping and having a good time with everybody else. So, anyways, I've blabbed on long enough, so I hope to see you guys on the YouTube airways in the future. Don't forget to support Gail with her Broken Hearts Ministry, please. It's very worthy cause that her mother do, and also check her out at Gail Southern Living. Check out El Canero, Our Cabin in the Woods, Heartland HQ with Dink Tank, Backwards Misfits, Simply Chin Homestead, BNS Odyssey, that's Neil and Beth, the Gillum Homestead, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but anyways, Christine and Johnny, Freebird, Brenda, and there's so many others. I am the absolute worst when it comes to names. In fact, to tell you how bad I am, right here, I had to write just the ones I wanted to thank to make sure I didn't mess them up. But everybody I talk to, just know that I thank you for the conversations, for the good times, and for the camaraderie. And I'll see you again in the future. Bye.